to Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy. So today, Marie, we are making one of our viewers' requests.
Maja Blanca!
So alam mo ba, Marie, nung bata ako, this is one of my childhood favorite dessert. Tuwing hapon, yung tita ko, she comes over in our house with Maja Blanca, with Latik on top. Kaya, favorite ko to.
Oh, that's good. So thank you for requesting the Maja Blanca. So now we will start. Here are the ingredients we need. We need 2 cans of coconut milk, cornstarch, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 can condensed milk, 3/4 cup fresh milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 cans cream style corn, and 1 can of coconut cream, and that's what we use for our latik. So we're ready for our Maja Blanca. We preheated the pan,
and then just pour this in.
Wait.
And then we will just let this boil. And after boiling, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So this is in a medium heat. Alright, so now our coconut milk is now boiling. We'll add the sugar, condensed milk, the whole can of condensed milk. Just keep mixing it. Get all that in there. And then our cream, sweet corn. Oops, so sorry. You have to be careful when pouring this out. Alright, looks like someone just came and ready to eat our Maja Blanca. Another one. Okay, be careful. I'm gonna do it like this. Another cream of style corn. So just like this, and we're going to let this boil.
Simmer
For 8 minutes.
Yep.
Yes. Alright, and then we will add our cornstarch.
Dissolved in the milk, right?
Yeah, we'll dilute that in fresh milk. Alright, so now we will combine the cornstarch and the fresh milk to completely dissolve. And we'll add this to our coconut mixture for our Maja. Just like this.
Enjoy that is to thicken it, right?
To thicken that coconut milk mixture. So we'll just mix this. Make sure it's all the cornstarch are dissolved. Just keep mixing it. So there's a little clump in there.
It's good.
Looks like it's ready to
Yeah.
add it to our coconut mixture.
And I think it's almost like 8 minutes.
Yep.
There you go. That's our signal.
Yep. So after 8 minutes of simmering our coconut milk, we will add our cornstarch and fresh milk combined. This is to thicken our Maja. So we'll just try stirring it.
And then you cook it until it's the thickness is what you desire.
Yes. Just like that. I'll use my spatula. So as you can see, the sauce is getting thicker now. Make sure you mix them well.
So this is the consistency that we like for our Maja Blanca. So now we're ready to transfer it to our serving dish. Okay, we're ready to transfer it to the serving dish.
You can transfer it there.
Mabigat ba?
It's okay. Make sure it's even.
Yeah.
Silang dalawa.
Okay.
Okay.
Some more?
No,
We
let's
will
put
transfer.
one. Yeah.
You want me to hold this?
No, I got it.
Okay,
It's
got it.
hot. Be careful. Yummy. Then we'll put our dressing on top. You can also add cheese.
Yeah, we're putting cheese in one of them, and the other one, if you don't like cheese, then you can get the one with Latik. Oh. This is my first time to eat this. I thought I didn't like it, but then I tried it a little bit. It's yummy.
Yep.
Yeah.
So Marie, you're missing a lot
I
of
know.
good stuff.
Okay, I think this is good, Joy, right?
Yep, that's good.
Oh, can I lick this?
Yeah, go ahead, Marie. It's your first time tasting the maha.
It's really good.
Yay! Alright, so keep adding more latik. So Marie already put some of the latik. She's saving that for herself.
Guys, I washed my hands, okay? So,
Yep.
okay, is
Dito
that
pa, you
enough?
missed a
Yeah.
spot there.
There you go. How about this
Alright,
one?
Yeah.
I'm adding the cheese for the cheese lovers. Joy, do you like cheese? I don't think. You like the latik better,
Yes, I like
right?
the latik better.
I will try both.
You guys can use any cheese that you like. Normally in Philippines, they only put
Edens.
latik. O kaya naman, anyone that has like cheese lovers, Eden
Eden's
cheese.
cheese. I think we can buy that here, right? But
Yeah,
I'm
we
sure
can.
it's expensive. And one time I went to Louis, they were out of stock. Remember you were
Yeah.
asking me to buy, what was that for Calios or when we did Calios?
I don't remember which recipe you need. Oh, for caldereta.
Caldereta, yeah. Eden's cheese.
Yeah, that's a called cheese.
Okay.
So guys, this
Is
is
this
our
enough?
maha. That should be good.
I
And
think
then
that's
we'll
good.
chill it.
What are
for-
we gonna bring to the barbecue? Is it the
I don't know.
dip
up to you.
or the cheese?
We can bring both.
Okay, let's bring both. Let's go.
Yay! So this is our Maja Blanca with cheese.
And Maja Blanca with latik.
There you go, guys.
So we will refrigerate it for at least an hour, and then we will bring it to our barbecue gathering today.
Yes, so this will be our dessert for today.
So please try it, comment if you like it, and this is for you, Maria. Thank you for requesting this, because if not for that, I would have not tasted this. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
See you
guys
next time.
and thank you for
Bye.
watching. Bye. Alright, so Marie,